Alright, well, got the 78 T-Bird here, and she's covered in still quite a bit of snow, but I've cleared off a lot of it, as you can tell. And that's how thick the snow was on top of this car. And it's kind of sad. I mean, it definitely needs a bath for sure. But, you know, it's just every time I try and clear the snow off of it, I just get, like, no energy from it. So, but anyways, let's see if this thing will start, because it's been sitting for a couple weeks, and it's cold outside. Actually, it's been sitting for closer to like 3 or 4 weeks, but all right. Pretty quick here, make sure I don't get any of the snow inside, or as little of it as possible, and see if she'll run. Because I'd like to be able to bring this to Edmonton tomorrow. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I know you're cold. There it goes. Ooh, she's cold. And it's supposed to be like really nice tomorrow, so. Gotta love cold idles like that, especially with the V8 with dual exhaust like this. And it has like a good sound on the back of it, but yeah, no, that actually started a little easier than I thought it would. But welcome to a little bit of tuning, because when we first got this thing here, this thing was awful. Like, it had issues with some of the wiring, it had issues with the carb, and now, not perfect, but much better. So yeah, no, absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous car. And like I said, I think I'm gonna take it to Edmonton tomorrow if I can. I'll see how the roads are once I get onto the 27 highway tomorrow, and then if they just look too bad, I'll just take Stitch. It's not a big deal. But I'd love to be in a big comfy boat for one last drive, because this thing will be for sale very soon. So yeah, 78 T-Bird, cold start and cold idle. $54,547 kilometers.